The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. In 1969, the Chevrolet Camaro featured a new, more aggressive look, which included a revised grille. The new Camaro replaced the previous model's Coke bottle shape with a flatter and wider design, making it one of the most popular Camaros ever. Options offered were Sport Coupe Convertible, RS, Z28, SS, Yenko, and ZL1. Production totaled 277,453, with only 20,302 Z28s created. The Garnet Red 1969 Camaro Z28 RS seen here was built primarily for the road racing fan. It boasts a 302 cubic inch, 290 horsepower V8 engine with a 4-speed transmission. Many of the Z28 RS's upgrades maximize its on-track performance and include dual exhausts, quick ratio steering, and rally wheels. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro.